Well, it was the perfect day for a festival of fun, food and all things creative on Sydney Road, Brunswick today. The busy strip shutting down to celebrate all things local, and Adam Hegarty went along.
We'll call it a Brunswick all sorts.
A little bit sweaty because I just got off stage, but you can pretty much get everything you want at this one festival.
The professionals on stage. A school of symphony. Even the beginners had pipes.
Easy like Sunday morning, yeah.
Free 15-minute singing lessons all day today. It's excellent to have it all back to normal again, which is great.
Day one of the Brunswick Music Festival and the return of the Sydney Road Sunday Street Party. Emerging from 3 years of COVID hibernation, it hit every note. In the hottest of warm-up acts. But it was heat they pushed through, some pulled through.
He's been in it for a few hours now, and he's really entertained. And so are we.
The largest lines, beverage queues, quenching the thirst of an estimated 50,000 strong crowd, still hungry for yet another event resurgence in the event capital. It's a cliche but a valid one. What a sight it is for sore eyes, and at a piping hot 33 degrees, potentially summers. Last hurrah.
Yeah, nice and warm, so good day to be out.
Another Melbourne institution, back with a bang. And back in business.
People are really happy to get back to it, just completely forget the last few years.
Adam Hegarty, 9 News.
Well, he is one of the game's top ruckmen, but Max Gawn is about to